I'm Lenka.
I'm Abby.
And we're
Lights, Camera, English. And we are planning a trip to England.
But I don't know what to pack.
Or just pack some clothes.
But what kind of clothes? What are you going to pack?
And today we're going to look at what Abby's going to pack.
So, show me, what are you going to pack?
Right, well, I'm hoping it will be sunny.
Oh, the most important item.
Sunglasses. So, well, I've got my shoes on top, so I'm taking comfortable shoes.
Right.
Because we're going to do a lot of walking.
Right. Yeah, but you're very fashionable, so no trainers.
Well, they're like trainers, actually. They've got really good sole for lots of walking, but they could be worn with a cute little skirt or trousers, whatever. So something like that, but for hotter days,
a pair of sandals.
Pair of sandals, yeah, okay. Yeah, and they go with everything because they're brown. Okay, so I've chosen a skirt. It's quite a long skirt.
Yeah.
Which is quite nice for British weather.
A dress.
A pretty dress. Maybe when we do something a little bit
more
fancy,
posh.
Yes, more posh. A plain t-shirt, and then just some jeans.
In case it gets a little bit cooler.
Sometimes in the evening it can. So, yeah. So for the same reason, I've got a jumper.
Isn't that a sweater?
Oh, yes. In the States, you would call this a sweater. But in England, it's usually called a jumper.
Because the British don't like to sweat.
No.
They prefer jumping.
We prefer jumping. But this particular type of jumper is called a pullover.
Because you pull it over.
Pull it over. And this is called...
a jumper.
A cardigan.
Oh, the buttons. Okay, so this is a jumper. You jump into it. This one you have to button up.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so it's a cardigan.
Cardigan, yes.
Okay.
Yes, so I've got a cardigan. And then I still have to do the ironing, but I might take this shirt.
A shirt.
Yeah. Or this one, I haven't decided which, but this one.
It's a blouse.
Exactly, it's a blouse, yeah.
And the difference between the shirt and the blouse is that the blouse is more feminine.
It's more feminine. It's usually a lighter material. And a shirt is something you more likely wear with a suit or something for working.
Like more businessy.
A bit more formal, yes. Yeah. So I'm going to decide between those. And then I have...
a top.
Yes, a little vest top.
A vest top.
Yeah, because it looks like a vest, but it's actually a top.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Is it going to get this cold?
No, it's not. I'm not sure why that's there, but this is just my winter scarf.
Winter scarf?
Yes.
We don't need that. I don't have to worry about full coats and stuff.
No, you don't. No, I'm sure it's not going to be that bad. But this scarf I probably will take.
It's very pretty.
It's very pretty, yes.
Yes.
And I'm thinking about this for cooler evenings. It's
just a different scarf.
No, this is a shawl. It's designed to go round the shoulders.
Okay, so if it goes round the shoulders, it's a shawl.
Yeah.
If it goes round your neck, it's a scarf.
Yes.
But this particular scarf could go round your shoulders.
It could, in which case you'd be using your scarf as a shawl.
Oh, yes. Very good.
Which actually is a really nice idea. Thank you for that. Yeah, and then I'm just going to take this cardigan as well.
Wait.
What?
Cardigan is supposed to have buttons. This one doesn't. It's not a cardigan.
What?
Gotcha.
Oh. Fine, I won't take it.
So that was it.
Don't forget to like our video.
And subscribe to our channel.
For more great videos.
And if you want to download the transcript,
lesson notes,
or some extra goodies,
then head over to our website.